Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Tonight we're journeying into the world of whispering shadows, a special lecture designed to help you understand and improve your sleep. If you've ever found yourself staring at the ceiling, counting sheep until the sun comes up, you're in the right place. So many of us struggle to get the rest we need, and it can feel incredibly isolating. But you're not alone in this. Tonight we're going to explore not just why sleep is so important, but also some gentle, practical ways to invite it back into your life. So, get comfortable, maybe dim the lights, and let's begin this journey together. First, let's talk about the magic of sleep. It's so much more than just turning off for a few hours. Think of your body as a bustling city. During the day, it's alive with activity, cars rushing, people working, energy being spent. When night falls, the city doesn't just shut down. It begins a crucial period of repair and restoration. That's what sleep is for your body and mind. It's during these quiet hours that your brain gets to work, sorting and storing memories from the day, like a diligent librarian organizing the shelves. This is why a good night's sleep can help you feel sharper, more creative, and better able to solve problems. On a physical level, your muscles repair themselves, your immune system recharges, and your hormones regulate. Sleep is the ultimate act of self-care, a vital process that keeps our inner city running smoothly. So what happens when this restorative process is disrupted? We've all felt it: the grogginess, the irritability, the mental fog that follows a poor night's sleep. But the effects run deeper than just feeling tired. Consistent lack of sleep can impact everything from our mood and concentration to our long-term physical health. It's like trying to run that bustling city on a flickering power supply. Eventually, things start to break down. This isn't meant to cause worry, but to empower you. Understanding the importance of sleep is the first step toward reclaiming it. It's about recognizing that prioritizing rest isn't a luxury. It's a fundamental need for your well-being. Now let's dive into one of the most powerful tools for improving our sleep: the circadian rhythm. This is your body's internal 24-hour clock, a natural, built-in cycle that tells you when to be awake and when to feel sleepy. It's deeply connected to light and darkness. When sunlight hits your eyes in the morning, it sends a signal to your brain saying, "Time to wake up, let's get the day started." Conversely, as darkness falls in the evening, your brain gets the cue to produce melatonin, the hormone that makes you feel drowsy. In our modern world with bright screens and artificial lighting, this natural rhythm can easily get thrown off. We end up sending our brains mixed signals, telling them it's daytime long after the sun has set. So, how can we sync back up with our natural rhythm? The key is consistency. Try to wake up and go to bed around the same time every day, even on weekends. This reinforces your body's sleep-wake cycle. Another powerful habit is to get some natural light first thing in the morning. Just a few minutes of daylight can work wonders for setting your internal clock for the day ahead. You could enjoy your morning coffee by a window or take a short walk outside. This simple act tells your body loud and clear that the day has begun, which in turn helps it know when to wind down later. Just as light signals wake up, darkness signals sleep. This is where creating a sleep-friendly environment, or what some call sleep hygiene, becomes so important. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest. Think of it as a calm, quiet cave. Start by making it as dark as possible. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any intrusive light. Keep the temperature cool, as a slight drop in body temperature can help initiate sleep. And of course, minimize noise. If you live in a noisy area, consider using earplugs or a white noise machine to create a consistent, soothing soundscape. The goal is to eliminate any distractions that might pull you out of that gentle slide into slumber. Your brain needs clear signals that it's time to switch off from the day's stimulation. Now let's address the elephant in the room for many of us: screens. Our phones, tablets, and computers emit blue light, which is particularly good at tricking our brains into thinking it's still daytime. This suppresses melatonin production and makes it much harder to fall asleep. One of the most effective changes you can make is to create a digital sunset. This means putting away all screens at least an hour before you plan to sleep. I know this can be tough. Our devices are so integrated into our lives. But try replacing that late-night scrolling with a relaxing, screen-free activity. This brings us to the importance of a winding-down ritual. Your body can't just go from 100 to 0 in a matter of minutes. It needs a transition period, a gentle off-ramp from the busy highway of your day. This ritual is deeply personal. For some, it might be reading a physical book, not on a screen. For others, it could be some light stretching, listening to calming music, or journaling. Writing down your thoughts or a to-do list for the next day can be a great way to empty your brain and prevent those racing thoughts when your head hits the pillow. The key is to choose activities that you find genuinely relaxing and to do them consistently every night. This ritual becomes a powerful cue to your mind and body that sleep is approaching. Let's also consider what we consume in the hours before bed. Stimulants like caffeine and nicotine can linger in your system for hours, significantly disrupting your ability to fall and stay asleep. It's best to avoid them in the afternoon and evening. A large meal or excessive fluids right before bed can also cause discomfort or lead to nighttime awakenings. Instead, if you're feeling a little hungry, a light, sleep-friendly snack like a banana or a small handful of almonds can be a good choice. And while a glass of wine might feel like it helps you relax, alcohol can actually interfere with the quality of your sleep later in the night, especially the deep restorative stages. A warm, caffeine-free herbal tea like chamomile or valerian root can be a wonderful, soothing alternative. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, we still find ourselves lying awake, our minds racing. This is where a shift in mindset can be incredibly helpful. Instead of getting frustrated and thinking, "I have to sleep," which only creates more anxiety, try practicing acceptance. It's okay. Your body will rest when it's ready. You can use this quiet time for gentle relaxation techniques. One of the simplest is focused breathing. Lie comfortably and just pay attention to your breath. Feel the air enter your nose, fill your lungs, and then slowly leave your body. You can try a simple 4-7-8 pattern. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale slowly for 8. This technique can calm your nervous system and shift your focus away from anxious thoughts about sleep. If you've been lying awake for more than 20 minutes, it's often better to get out of bed. The goal is to break the association between your bed and the feeling of frustrated wakefulness. Go to another room and do something quiet and relaxing in dim light, like reading or listening to soft music until you start to feel genuinely sleepy again. Then, return to bed. This helps retrain your brain to see your bed as a place for sleep, and only sleep. Remember to be patient and compassionate with yourself. Some nights will be better than others, and that's a normal part of the process. It's also crucial to acknowledge that sometimes sleep issues are a sign of something more. If you're consistently struggling with sleep, if it's affecting your daily life, or if you suspect you might have a condition like sleep apnea or chronic insomnia, please don't hesitate to speak with a doctor or a sleep specialist. Seeking professional help is a sign of strength, and there are many effective treatments available. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. Taking that step can be the most important thing you do for your health and well-being. As we bring our lecture to a close, I want you to remember that improving your sleep is a gradual journey, not a race. It's about making small, sustainable changes and being kind to yourself along the way. Start by choosing just 1 or 2 of the ideas we've discussed tonight. Maybe it's creating a digital sunset or getting some morning light. See how it feels. Notice the small shifts. Celebrate the small victories. You have the power to create the conditions for restful, restorative sleep. It is your natural birthright. Thank you so much for spending this time with me tonight in the Whispering Shadows. I hope you found this lecture helpful and feel empowered to take the next step on your journey to better sleep. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more lectures designed to support your well-being. Sweet dreams, and may your nights be peaceful and your mornings bright. Good night.